students, welcome back. In the previous class, we learned about topo sheet, uses of topo sheet, and layout and numbering of topo sheet. Today, we will learn about the grid reference. Places are located on maps and globe with the help of latitudes and longitudes. But it is difficult to show the precise location of minor geographical features in topo sheets. To solve this difficulty through eastings and northings. Do you know what is eastings and northings? The north-south lines are called eastings and east-west lines are called northings. These lines are connected with north and south. So, this line is called eastings. Their value increases towards the east. The value of the eastings immediately left to the geographic features is considered for identifying a location. Next, northings. These are lines drawn in the east-west direction. Their value increases towards the north. The value of the northings immediately to the south of the feature in the map is considered for identifying a location. The grid formed by the eastings and northings are called reference grid. Each grid with 2 cm width and 2 cm breadth covers an area with 1 km length and 1 km breadth on the Earth's surface. The scale of this grid is 1:50,000. Observe this grid. Are the size of the geographical features are same in this grid? No. Geographical features of this grid are different in size. The location of these features can be found out in 2 different ways, namely 4-figure grid reference and 6-figure grid reference. This is 4-figure grid reference. Look at the grid with a lake. Let's examine how the lake can be located. First, we find out the eastings value. What is eastings? North-south lines are called eastings. Here it is 52. First, you have to write 52. Then the value of northings. What is northings? Northings are lines drawn in the east-west direction. Here it is 18. Thus, the location of the lake as per the 4-figure grid reference will be 5218, 5218. Every time 4-figure grid reference includes 4 digits. Next, 6-figure grid reference. Comparatively smaller geographical features are located through 6-figure grid reference method. Let's examine how we can find 6-figure grid reference. First, find out the value of eastings. Here it is 15. It is just left to the tube well. Then divide this area into 10 equal parts and find the exact location of the tube well. Here it is 5 and write it next to the value of easting already found. Then find out the northings value. Here the northings value is 76. Write this northings value near to the eastings value. Then the northing value divided into 10 equal parts. Find the exact position on which the tube well is located. Write it with the values already written 15576. write it next to 6. 15,576. 6 is the exact value obtained from the 6 grid reference of the tube well. Today we learned about grid reference, 4 grid reference and 6 grid reference. Hope all of you understood this topic. Thank you.